Hello everyone, welcome to another quick VRBO tutorial video and guide video. Now before we get started on this particular video, make sure to subscribe down below if you want to see 5 different videos about VRBO every single day. So today in this video, I will show you, does VRBO have smart pricing? Now the answer is yes and no. So VRBO does not have a smart pricing like Airbnb. But as you can see right here, it doesn't have a tool that matches the functionalities and features of Airbnb smart pricing. However, in VRBO, you set a base rate, and if you want to change the rates for certain days or time periods, you need to do it manually in the rate settings. However, VRBO doesn't leave their hosts completely stranded when it comes to the pricing strategy, as they offer a comparison tool that is free of charge, as you can see, which is called Market Maker. Now with this tool isn't the same as Airbnb smart pricing, but it does offer some valuable insights basically to make your informed pricing decisions. So as you can see, this is basically Market Maker. It's basically an online tool, again, exclusive to VRBO partners and hosts. And yeah, basically you get the delivered detailed market data to help you make informed rate decision and improve performance and build revenue. Now, as you can see all of the benefits on their website. But basically, as you can see, this is what you get. Competitive rates of booked versus unbooked properties, local events affecting the area travel where you're currently at, forecasting occupancy data and booking lead times, and a lot of different things. Now you can just type in VRBO Market Maker and you will land on this page, and you can click use VRBO Market Maker, and then all you have to do is just log into the VRBO and you will be able to set up basically smart pricing this way. So yeah, this is basically an answer to your question, does VRBO have smart pricing? Again, yes and no, it's not the same as Airbnb. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.